I want to do a simple setup on my 28-inch Blackstone griddle. I took this piece out, and what I'm doing is I'm adding 4 holes here to set these things up inside here. And what these things I'm planning on using is to hold my oil bottle and water bottle. I've seen other places on Amazon or eBay or wherever, but they cost too much. I picked these up at Daiso for $1.50 each. You might be lucky and find yourself a set yourself. I've already started, and pretty much I've already drilled 3 holes. I'm on my last one, but I did a test fit on this one and it fit pretty good. Oh, I can't do it with one hand. It'll just sit right here. It's pretty sturdy. It's not going anywhere. The amount of oil and water I have is no more than 12 ounces, so this is plenty enough for it. I'm gonna go ahead and finish off this hole, and I'll be right back with the finishing product. So here's my 28-inch Blackstone griddle, and here is the finishing touch. Just take that, put it right here, right here. Not bad. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a magnet strip over here, so that way I could put my utensils here. And I'm gonna go to Harbor Freights to get one of those towel holders. They're magnetic, so I'm gonna either put it over here and have a towel dispenser coming out here. So pretty much, if you guys gonna do this mod, it's not bad. Have fun griddling.